Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can fix Roblox error code 279. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure on how you can fix it. Now, Roblox error code 279 typically occurs when there is a network issue preventing your Roblox client from establishing a connection to game server. To resolve this error, you'll need to follow the steps. First of all, you can just check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable and active internet connection. A weak or unstable network connection is common cause of error code 279. Connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network if possible. Apart from it, you can also restart your router. Sometimes network issue can be received by power cycling your modem and router. Now, unplugging them, wait for 30 seconds or 20 seconds and then plug them back into it. This can refresh Wi-Fi connection and resolve any temporary issues. Now, apart from it, you can also check the Roblox server status. What you need to do is you need to open up a web browser and under the web address bar type status.roblox.com. After that, it's going to show you the status of sometimes the issue may be on the Roblox ends. You can check the Roblox server status on the official Roblox website or on the community platform to see if there is any ongoing server issue or not. The server has an issue, then you'll need to wait for some time and only then you'll be able to fix the issue. If this is also not working, then you can also close your background application. So if you have multiple background applications running, then you can just go to the Windows tab and type in Task Manager. After that, open up Task Manager and all of the background application that is not in use. Once you've done that, this might be able to solve the issue. If nothing seems to be working, then you can directly contact the support team. After that, you can state about the issue and they'll look into your matter. Apart from it, you can also check the Roblox compatibility mode. So all you have to do is right click on the Roblox shortcut and after that, go to show more options and tap on properties. Once you've done that, then go to compatibility. Make sure that you've selected on run this program as an administrator. Click on OK and then click on the apply button. Once you've done that, restart your PC and this might be able to fix the issue all at once. Now, these were some of the methods on how you can fix your Roblox error code 279. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.